Let's make us some Dano salad today. You know what Danos is? I bet you do and I bet you don't. For those of you that don't know what Danos is, stick around, we're going to show you. This is Danos right here, and you gotta get you some. Danos has got this fancy season, original season, low sodium, 0 calories. Put this on anything you eat and it'll bring it to life. The first thing you're gonna need today is one of these. You know what? You just might need 2 of these. So we got to. We'll fix you right up. Next thing you're gonna need is a half of one of these. And of course you're gonna need 2 of these. All right. And then you're gonna need you some red wine vinegar. And you're gonna need you some white wine vinegar. And then you might want to get you some of this right here. You don't have to be this brand, so get you some type of sweetener honey. Now I'm going to be using this old moonshine pancake syrup. It makes it really good. And then you have some kind of slicer to slice this stuff up. You know what I mean?